Gets it again. Raffles the back of the net.
Fuera pasar Moreno.
Ezekia wathi mathambo hlanganani bathi bambare fasa phakania phopha zimnyama iClub ethandwa abefundisi.
A seventh domestic cup title for Orlando Pirates since the 2022-23 season. They continue that dominance when it comes to cup football and end of 2025 with a bang. Good evening and welcome to the biggest show in the land, Fan Base, with myself, Lindiwe Dube, and of course our fantastic starting lineup in studio. Let's get straight into it. We head to the Old Peter Mokaba Stadium where Edgar Makepula, Frank, how does it feel in this fashion?
Asibingelele sisilindi. Sewuzwakele mawuthi zikaMakebhula ezakebhula umhlaba kwasala lapha khona ukuthi awubhekisa phezulu. Umnandi ezweni futhi kusazoba mnandi. Kade ngikhona khona ePeter Mgaba endaweni yesigameko. Yonke into ngizibonele mina ngosini. Ngibona ucoach wami egijima kakhulu. Egijima lenkabi. Into engayisho mabhakaniya, we are very very blessed. Lo nyaka 2025 ngicabanga ukuthi unyaka ufanele siubhale emlandweni. Sikaze sibe lo nyaka omnandi kanje. So njengamanje njengoba ngikhuluma informants namakhapha u2. History into fanele ibhalwe phansi. So I'm very very happy and the question remains Slim. Umbuzo nje umile, who is the plumber? Who is the plumber? So igame izolo number 1 ake ngishaya salute kuma fans. Bekukuhle Peter Mgaba. Kade kumnyama kumhlophe. Nasibonanga negameko kuliwa izinto ezikanjalo. And ne game ibimnandi kakhulu. Nanoma imarumo le. Sunile khona kodwa yeah, bebe planile impela. I think ngendlela kade beplane ngayo bebetshela ukuthi bazosibamba kuma penalty. Kwasho ukuthi singama Seropus. Yakwazi ukuntshontsha igame ekugcineni. So for me I'm very very happy and ngithembisa ukuthi siyabuya and mase sesibuya ngeleague sibuya ngeNedbank sivele sivale isizini vele kube mnandi kushube usazophela ama brain stand akuke usazophela inyama usazophela umejiso ya abaphethe ugawuthi sorry oba sisazo braya after bray shilo sawusaseka
Yes, Kim.
Champions is given. Lindy Trovera.
Kim.
What's the person couple together? Jepit. Let's do get that over. Lindy. Pulwanos was beautiful. We enjoyed. We saw the team. Marumelo was sabotage. That's what we're going to about team Yaudia would announce his century Cup. We're going to Marume Philip Parents at time. But parents come back, we fight. If you can see Makala was there, the Kokomino was there, you see Sleep was there. Everybody who played for parents was there. But the boys make us proud. We are Orlando Pirates. We remain humble. James Ucha calls a local very chairman Maba. Kame was happy. He take the 6 million. Orlando Pirates in dinner informal. 60 million. That's what I more nama paganya gamuka le chabulile. Wabona li keeper jone rega rapele juno rega. Go badia. Orlando Pirates every game they make a t-shirt for the supporters. But for game ya mabani nice atmosphere, no pooler. Entertainment was there. Everything was galore. Polokwane was full packed. Everything. Oh yeah, Rogale na malindi. Ayo. But to come over how to value with about levels about to Maratangi to come to Polokwane and watch the game. We love you, but the boys make us proud. But we love the team. Coco Millions. Mufungani is back. You go to Bafana, Maputuma, Mahupa, everyone, and say, Who could you learn? Naga Magaji Kujara, you get a stadium in 2 minutes. But therefore, one chance, Mapagana, we love you all, Moleka fella. Let's keep supporting the team, win or lose. That coach in the H of Maliki, Barabamuyan. In 2 games and lose. No one Morat. Literally in the team has played well. Literally in the Gaporama Pirates. They win 2 games. Pascal only said time I was worried, coach Moscow. Why is Moscow we win 2 games? Let's support the coach, win, draw, and lose. We love you, Lindy. Merry Christmas. Chilby, Otama Shabum Fana, we love you, Oxford, Chicago, only Chicago, 5 back. But to tell Chwaram Fana, Chicago 5 fan. Come right.
Thank you, Skim Musa. When you look at the football that Marumo Gallants played on the day, 0 shots on targets, do you think that they were banking on possible penalty shootouts?
Thanks, Lindy, and good evening to the viewers. Yabona Lindy Zokjela. Only all the parents in Jela Majuguti, but we need a fluke. You understand? Le collaborateur corrile, pega le collaborateur corrile, pega njogo, sanga 18 ni kolinyana nje ngekho. You understand? Yes, but siyavuma. Congratulations to Pirates winile ama champions at level. But ngiyakutshela mina ukuthi le goal le asigoli nyana nje convincing. Igoli nyana nje hlanganisile during ku 18 area. You understand? Pega nje it's not convincing. But in terms of Jela yona ukuthi ilontuzana amarume Gallants, the way they played, you understand? Abadlala ngendlela right because of bapaki pass. Bapakelani pass. Because of I want to see Pirates. Marukonde ngo. Head on.
Yeah.
Bapakelani head on. The best way to defend is to attack. They have to attack. And they were able to do that. So, you know, about Sweeney Cup, Sweeney level. Man, I mean, I'm not convinced. It's fine, but we need a corner. I want that Tina as the Kaiser Chiefs. So, man, I see congratulations, man. Congratulations, because of man, they flew goal there, must go Martinez, man. He flew goal there, but 90 minutes on, but why walk around in 90 minutes? Was still long, man, scheme, scheme, the Shule Luna, man. My man, and Alindi. The Korea is fine, but Korea winning is fine. I'm a champion, Mara, Oxala, Oguti, Umsabo, or way to Tina, as the Kaiser Chiefs, Tina, Spetumsaba. 9 is fine, they've got 2 cups. MTN. Even the league I told whatever that Cabezayo and Eval told. What the Oxala overall, they need to pull up their socks. It's Kim Saw Roma Scarlange. Aye, business Kimian Esneko.
Yeah.
Wakala Mahopa, Ukala Makaula, Ukala Mata at the same time. In Tanta, but we know in Tanta, I can say that in Tanta, and then it's fine with them. Maragitas Kaiser Chiefs, Velagaze, Velasi said in Tanta, Velatini Paret. From Dala, you can count 1970s, 80s. I go into a Velas Fisela in Tanta for you on the parades. Now this is a full Guinama Cup. Who didn't get into the Gatanagan? But the way they did, there is a Tanagan. But okay, it's fine. It's fine. Pagania, it's fine. Jimmy. Now you know Kebafet is fine. We need it. It's okay. But Oxala as in full. And I see for wasting time. And I mean, I'm about to give a Pirates fan. Me, I'm actually signing on fee. Bang sign as a supporter. Or putting Pirates. I am going Pirates. I am going Pagania. Kaiser Chiefs for life. And we still stand Kaiser Chiefs for life. Unioxayo, but we need is fine. I pull from into swing. That's my science and Jay.
Okay, Musa, very passionate. Hey, Ujabu is joining us via Zoom. Jabu, welcome to the show. I mean, 4 months into the job as coach of Orlando Pirates, Coach Abdesalam Owadu has done incredibly well. 2 trophies, top of the log. Just talk us through 2025 as an Orlando Pirates fan.
Sislindi, greetings to you and the viewers at home. Hey, ubhlungu Musa lapha e-studio nyamuzwe yakhala. Yehlisa umoya Musa kuzoba right. When you should focus
Jabu,
on your
unmute.
1 point FC.
Please unmute, Jabu. Askuza.
Can you hear me now, Sislindi?
No, we still can't hear.
Can you hear me
I
now?
cannot hear you.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now, Sislindi?
Can we hear? Yes,
Can you hear
we
me
can
now? Oh yes, I was saying Umusa lapha e-studio makayehlisa umoya afocus ku 1 point FC. Ayekela abantu abadala Sislindi badlale ngalento. But mina I will say congratulations to Orlando Pirates Sislindi. Le process yama win ayiqalanga manje. I think this is a process that we have started 5 years ago. Wafika uRivero wayipolisha and then uCoach Wadu Eza. So it has been a project for Orlando Pirates, and one will have to thank management team ngokusayinela ama-quality players. Unlike other chairpersons of certain teams, Sislindi, but it's a family business. Pirates Sislindi, each chairman, each atama supporter very serious. So in terms of issue, Orlando Pirates is to say, focus. Like I've said last week, we still have 5 months as Salele ukuthi claim a victory league. We still have 18 games that are left. So focus is very important, and the discipline as well. So Sislindi, I'm very happy. And we have taken another cup. We have said it, Uguti, if it's nice, we do it twice, Sislindi.
Simple.
Sinatu manje in a bag. The other plan is the league. We are not writing off in a bank. It's an operation Tekangwaso starter wasani Sislindi. We are happy as Pirate supporters, and we are saying congratulations.
Thank you so much, Jabu. Orlando Pirates, Vox, is this the best football we've seen from Orlando Pirates in a very long time?
Greetings, Lind. You look very beautiful today.
Thank you.
It's our last day. Thank you, Lind, for hosting us the whole year. You've been very fantastic the whole year, and then we thank you. And then also the Bafoye Tuman, thank you very much. We have been here the whole season. And I will make a big mistake if there's this gentleman I saw yesterday there, Mr. Koza. It's a Kaizer Chiefs supporter. And that guy was very much happy, or Pirates have won, and that guy is from ZZ. Thank you very much, Alec. Well, the important thing here. And yesterday when we started playing against Marumo, in terms of our starting 11, as we always do, it's a surprising starting 11 whereby everyone didn't see it coming. So now we know. Like we told you or no, there's a cup that is waiting for us. What is left for us is just to go there and then collect our cup. And then and then the last thing, we don't have to talk too much because we are tired. We are tired because I don't want to talk too much. I think I'm done, Lind. I'm just tired. Thank you very much.
Mahabo, congratulations once again. I feel like we've been saying congratulations the entire year. Yeah, Bagania.
Let me first kilebore batho ba Polokwane ka o tlatsa stadium, and again kilebore Elliot Wasa. We are terrible to ga ba pause nga simolebo. The way ina terrible to ga gona. And then Eric Bulele ka litlo la football. Truly speaking, I was Lindy. Now I still think Mbule should have started ka first 11. Because Okarwa Lebella Beresna, the wise number 10 Eluri, Itafa, the creativity more midfield. So, and again, I think what Makaula ke ba thomile go benching na the week bonang ka teng. And then at least ba me introduce ka the last minutes. So but then congratulations to Orlando Pirates for winning a second trophy this season. And then resolata engwe pela Saturday. Rolata engwe Saturday house Lindy engwe ba bitsa cup ya Sponono. Cup ya Sponono te le de bene so cup ya Sponono. And then Elias Sponono lo le teng house Lindy. Ere sa ibatle re ka ishia ele. So thank you so much.
Wiseman.
Sislindi ngibingelele ngibongela amabhani abafethu congratulations umntwana ama-champion sibonge nje Sislindi ucoach Marumo Gallants bebabambe kahle unfortunately ke kuma-crucial times belekhi focus consider igoli elisimple so siyabongela kamabhani Sislindi nidle kahle iChristmas uma ngene kahle futhi inyakeni omusha. I think it's siyagcina kule season so sibabone amabhakani ake message engipha ni one message ama cups lawo and loan no collector akakho important ukudlula league ne anenza kahle Africa. It shows ukuthi kusamele nisebenze hard because a Champions League nanenze kahle ngizohlupha nje kulama cup angathathwa yithi ne ake niwini league nibuye nesitiyasa esithuni bodwa ayine aphakane neshisa okwamanje just relax and go and work hard because second round siyabuya next year zobe sikhala lo number 1 lo nijabula ngawo nizosuka nibuyele phansi abambe umbrella so siyanibongela bafowethu keep it up siyabonga.
Okay, but before we a break.
Oh, Lindy mina ngizothi Marumo Gallant well done kiyo ukuthi reach i-final and they played very well, especially kwi first half where Washington Arubi bekabambe iPirate at bay. So for that uyakhombisile ukuthi une experience because sekadlale 279 games la ku PSL Washington Arubi na 88 clean sheet. So for mina I give it to him. I thank you very much Marumo. But isibulele bafethu.
1-0 after extra time is how it ended. Orlando Pirates crowned the champions of the Carling Knockouts, double cup winners in 2025. Stay tuned to your World of Champions. When we return, we shift focus to the Betway Premiership as we concluded all the matches for the first half of the year.
Tell me, yes you did tell me. Tell me more.
My team will do me the happiest woman ever. That's what
She's not the only happy fan. There's another happy fan to my right.
I've already prophesied for this goal. Yes.
You did say so, Lord.
Yes.
Today is a good December for my parents. Messi, we're not the Chiefs. But we're not the Chiefs. But in my Chiefs, well, it wasn't a stage for Chiefs today. It was for Orlando Pirates, and man, oh man, the treble is on. 7+ million rands, even richer. Another trophy back in Mayfair. Marumo Gallants Askis.
And at the end of the 2025 domestic football season, this is what the Betway Premiership log table looks like. Orlando Pirates 2 points ahead of the defending champions Mamelodi Sundowns. Kupune United finished the year third, while Amakhosi missed out on an opportunity to move to third following that goalless draw against TS Galaxy at the Mobela Stadium. You are still chatting to us on social media using that hashtag #SSFanbase. Komoto Patlane says the tactical approach from Coach Owadu was not to lose the game. 3 defensive midfielders, that's why it took 140 minutes to score 1 goal. Isaac Kumalo, Pirates is likely to be benefiting from officiating mistakes. Hashtag #SSFanbase. Okumoto Patlane once again saying, congratulations to Orlando Pirates for being champions of the Carling Cup. And then Hamilton Tlantla, this one is for Musa in studio. Hamilton says, how was Orlando Pirates win a fluke while Marumo Gallants created 0 shots on target? Pain, Musa. Hashtag #SSFanbase. Let's move now to the Betway Premiership, where Amakhosi finished off the year with back-to-back goalless draws. A draw against Chippa United in midweek, and today away to TS Galaxy. Vuyo
Ay, angazi ngiqale kuphi. Ngifuna ukuqala ngalo referee lo, uLiesman. Iqiniso kumele likhulunywe. Ngifuna ukuqala ngoLiesman la lindi. Ulubabalo Peter. Yabona lo muntu lowana udlisa ama-supporter we-Chiefs wonke uzosidlisa iChristmas ebuhlungu.
Yeah.
Asijabulanga. First half, we played well. We dominated the game. Ama-stats we-game ayakutshela. Silekha nje nge-finishing. Ngishilo le nto last week. Ngathi problem yethu i-finishing. And then ne-supply yethu ayikho enough. So, coming back next year, because now we're going to a long break. So this long break is and another thing we talked about last week, very, very important thing, starting 11. You asked me a very, very good question about the chopping and changing of lineup. It's not working. Understand? Today we did even create a chance. Labantu bebengekho. Shot on target bana 1. Tinas na more than 9. 11. We played against the team bengekho. But then it is what it is. We didn't win. We tried. Our boys tried. Mayo tried. Da Silva tried. Different TS Galaxy, the boys were good, you know. So I must also give them a credit because they did give us a run for our money. Understand? So also I was happy. The Tejane angekho ngoba uyahlupha now uyahlupha. No, we are super, no, that boy, no, the boy is good. Orlando Stadium, cheap and I talked to the boy personally. The boy is very good. And that was supposed to be our player, but then in Pilo I'm upside down. Yeah, we do need players. We're going to sign players even in the next step because of we have leave to concentrate. Let's concentrate. So we need. You know, so we're going to beef up our squad. And the league, we are still on the race for the league. Because of if you look at if you look at Ipagania, the Sundowns, no number in this cocoon. Abashiganga. Each using the yadala. There's nothing wrong with Abafana bit. Badala long keep on. Mabenga improve nje ku finishing. That's all. Then bazoba right. And ngizobe nginomona lindi manga bongeli Ipagania. No, Ipagania siyababongela ukuthi bayoqeda iChristmas, badla iChristmas bala bekhona manje. Because of iligi yethu. Imnandi mayiso. Kuyabhora iligi njalo. Makubuza ukuthi iyothathwa abobani obvious asifuni league njalo. You look at the league as England abo La Liga kune competition. It's not an obvious league, you know. And ngithanda ukubongela no TLB uMbokazi. Wherever you are Mbokazi awuthi ngibeke ngesizulu mfana kithi. Yabona la ukhona ngokufisela okuhle uNkulunkulu akubusise akubusise usebenzile mfana kithi bheka bongezane today bakuphi so umfanami udlala mina ngiyakubongela that's why ngibeka ngesizulu ngifuna ngizwe that's why nogogo wathi kuye hamba osebenza mfana ende make abuya build ekhaya udlalile umfana uyadeserve ukuthi ahambe ayodlala somewhere else. Go out there and shine, boy. Uze futhi uzomela ne-country yethu bafana. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Vuyo. Johannes, do you feel that TS Galaxy would have been a different side had Puso Ditejane played today? He wasn't even in the match day squad.
Let me greet you and our lovely viewers and fans. Let me first congratulate our current champions, Orlando Pirates. by covering the 2011 history because of they last did that winning MTN 8 and the Telkom knockout in 2011. This time around, the Telkom knockout has been changed to Carling knockout, so they really deserved it. But then, as they've always been said, it's always difficult playing against a team of a low block. They spoke about Marumo Gallants organizing a low block. And I'm also going to blame the coach for Marumo Gallants because you've got Jason Clifford who scored against Makesi last weekend. Why do you start him on the bench and introduce him during extra time? Of which you can see Orlando Pirates were piling on the pressure, but then Washington Arobi also came to the party, but at some point made almost 2 blunders, which Evidence Mahopa tried to score, then they cleared the ball off the line. So for that, I think resting players for a certain match, something I stated last week that I don't like who put players for a certain match. So I knew that something might be troublesome because of Orlando Pirates. You know that pedigree when it comes to being cup specialists. So all in all, they deserved it, and hard luck to Marumo Gallants. They are my next opposition when we come back from the AFCON break. And I see the goalkeeper Washington Arobi, Sitole, they are suspended for that match. Key players, there are 3 of them. So I don't know, but I think getting back to our game against TS Galaxy today, as you're asking about Kusodi Chayane, definitely because of he's a player who's been, I think the role, but then they've been given it on his shoulders to say, you've scored a hat-trick against Chippa United this current season. You are a playmaker, although at some point a little bit inconsistent. So the only chance they created was that the one in the 10 minutes where Brendan Peterson got that fingertips. And I'm still wondering why he's not in the Bafana squad because he's currently topping all the 9 goalkeepers on 9 clean sheets, followed by Sipo Chain of Orlando Pirates. But then apart from that, into the game, we dominated the game, we created chances. I'm not happy with our players because of what they did today is the same repeat of what happened midweek against Chippa United, of which they always miss chances. I feel at some point in they seem to be programmed to say, you can play the ball on the wingers, then you play crosses, then already the coaches, they know what to expect. So we lack creativity as well, so which is another downfall for us. So our coach must just go back to the drawing board and reshuffle things. But I'll keep saying it that as a Kaizer Chiefs fan, we really need a head coach. Yes, on the positive side, we haven't conceded goals that it was the case last season because we've been leaking goals left, right, and center. That's a huge improvement. That's why I'm crediting Brendan Peterson that he should have been in the squad. So some of the players, their performance is inconsistent, of which I don't like it as a Kaizer Chiefs player. We need a brave, those players must have that brave heart. Everyone from the Orlando Pirates side, because of their players are consistent in terms of performing, and they are also in the Bafana squad. So apart from that, I was so disappointed. You can't draw against a team of Chippa United, which means us Kaizer Chiefs, ever since we came from the international break, we haven't won a single game. So if I have that mentality, so you must just win games and make sure that when we come back, we start with Marumo Gallants going forward because of mathematically we're still in with a chance. Although, as you know, Pirates, Sundowns, they still have a chance, but don't write Mamelodi Sundowns at your own peril. I'll keep warning all the fans from the other clubs. So I'm not happy as a Kaizer Chiefs fan from those 2 draws.
I mean, Amakosi, this was their 6th draw of the season, level with bottom of the table Chippa United.
Sanibonani sesoma. Into engayisho into positive about us as the Kaizer Chiefs, if ubheka kwamanye ama seasons adlulile bekushaya lesikhathi lesi sesinabo 3 lose, but this time sina 1 lose. And number 2 mawuchecka futhi iGA goal against esiwaconsidile, we are number 3 as a team in our list of our goal conceded. Singawathatha lama positive as motivational, and then going forward ama player wethu kufuneka be accountable, angaluzi ibhola umuntu bese ya relaxa, ma iluzi ibhola ahamba yolumaka futhi. And then nokunye, the modern football is killing us. You can't expect a striker siyomaka ibhola siphinde sile position to score goals if they can fix that part. Salute.
Thank you, Smanga. Oh yes, Mevin.
Seslinde ere go dumedise ke thoma ga go lebosha di champs tablet level. They know how to play a cup on the Pirates. And other thing, if the same like ja ya go tswa go support on the Pirates le Chiefs go Peter Mukawa. Like Lex bo Raymond Sarave, bo Moloedi, bo Mokadi, bo Perito, bare they watching fan base every Sunday. By Rata. Understand? And then coming back to our game, Lindiwe, Ernaro Makusi are filmata. We still gotta support our boys. And then how much about this season, Lindiwe, our boys were very killer, and then the Pusini Balongo last season in the Resimu. And then we still have a chance for Regaja number 1. Understand? Number 1 Harishigal Buntiringat. It's just our boys ba bapala ha botse marate ba shota hanyane. Just a finishing in the way. I wish some of our legend man ba encourage ba fana ba le gore a ba fitla go 18 malintiwe man. Paska jaga man. Paska je any man a fitla go 18 you must relax. Simple score. Check the way Orlando Pirates will game ka gona. A fitla go 18 a ba ya a ba pupurogwe. Ba go orange simple. Any goal it's a net. But Pirates ya win. And then it will be like a point the Jacob. They working hard. How come the chances reach 3 down? Lot of chances. Every game will create a lot of chances. Mar are goal. But at again, Afana of the world 18 Baja. But today, create chance steering out and Jill over in Yaga or Motoka to 18 Mishimana of Ella. One at 10. But as because let's have, as we say to the team. Let's have, and they don't have a way. When a number of one to umbrella. Also umbrella. Here's a chief state. Tayo Jama Mona go Mugua. We still coming on top there into it. Go for Sarasa, number 9. So we're going to go. Hey, Elefuna Napan, Elefuna Napan, and the Kamazula out on that. Pantalago Funan. Go Funan Mavilla, Funan Artist 7. Bangla Pika and Cologne, Peremun, or the Funanga Haimun, Kamunga Fumun. Understand? So it's just Babaganen Watabile and then Asako already the accident there. Rabale Wishamara, not as a case supporter. I'm still saying he's a chief. We're going to finish on top 4. All
right, thank you, Kosi. Let's move now to Bloemfontein, where Siwelele registered a 1-0 draw against the Mamelodi Sundowns. Masandawana missing out an opportunity to move back to the top of the table. But this for Siwelele, yes, it's a draw, but in Coach Letono Siema scheme, it's a big win to get a draw against Sundowns.
Thank you for Letono Siema. Erochaje na go just 1-0. Abe isa now say e wole je o mathuba se ba bole neti scheme. O mathuba le ba re Pirates e ka se December is number 1 ba arrange. Ebaria, you will ga botsa karaba go repeat out of point. Stolo Sema o berekile just no ba o no toka la gore ba tshwarisa now se e goal. But ntho mo tsenya ga lena o tswa ke mola ka drive. O bona o mokwena. That drive was hard. That thing is not, it's not a red card. A player on time. But for Barumu talk about just now. We see now I'm talking the good things about
yes, man.
Yeah, if a review do mistake about the team, we tell. But the Colonel Sema Gaila Torasan now. You come on and lose. Maroka never go to the Sundowns are saying that do it one. And then I wish President Rias announced Kobi Mutsibe, please my friend. Oscar go kucha. Lo majuma ga bolela ba renini. Kenya Sundowns Lindi. Ebe fele ligi. Alwa, no matter go to Lindi. Go to the league in South Africa. Ebe monat. And then for Swelele the Colonel Sema we Chief Muzamile Yamfadi Plara ba khona Swelele se go party for Swelele they play for Bloemfontein party. It's good for Bloemfontein to keep support the team for Bloemfontein discard so party Angis Sema war Tshola Sundowns as a team ya number 1 Salmo na Matumi Manzo Salona Mkhalabe aka kwa mra.
This lady as for Sundowns, Ara started game the way we wanted because of injury Ikaga. We end up Reshika team then Retencha Johannes. Yeah, wait, different story. Really mistake, then they capitalize, they score, then we have to chase the game. They were doing low block, we're trying to penetrate, but it was not easy. I don't know whether our team dropped a standard or other team they raised their standard. But there is something which is not right in between.
Yeah.
I think our technical team need to do something so that we can come back because we are making things very difficult for ourselves. I don't think if we play this way we can win the league. We are going to struggle. We need to, unlike Sundowns, this time Sundowns has dropped 10 points. So far dropped 10 points out of 18 games. That's unlike Sundowns. Something must be done. Thanks.
Tashili, welcome back.
Nerele FNB last rona pirisa Sundowns. So Masandawana ka ofel. Kire riska fela matla Masandawana. Sundowns ki team ya rona. Ra irata ka paka Sundowns. nna Lindi mo ke dulwang a ke robale Lindi dishopong ke ya family ke tsamaye ke kentse copayete Lindi le motho a tseba re ke tletse le go mpotsa re moholo o jale kanjani o monye weza la ba jale kanjani la wa bona Lindi nna ke rata Sundowns Lindi go gopela management ya Sundowns please guys lokisa team ya rona guys nna re tlwaetse team ya rona e wina ke sa le ba le Mapaganea ra le buisa le winne Black Label guys mara league ke ya ka Mapaganea ska wa Makhosi ke ya ka league so Lindi re Masandawana ka offer present advance re skalla bophelo bo so bona tshwana le bophelo Lindi that's why bona pile mo pula ya modu e tlo na one day Lindi ba bang ke na go bona ba bang ke mara league ke ya ka Lindi Lindi ka di 20 go Ivory Park Phyllis K Lindi ya tsala ke na support Phyllis K mara ke di pula nna lwela ke re kana ke serama ke re tsama serame o ba faili Lindi ke ya tsala Phyllis K ke Phyllis K mara supporting are Ivory Park ka di 20 ka leboa go fela.
Yes, thank you so much, Lindy, and the mates around here. The game that Sundowns played against Siwelele, I saw Ebo Mkwena receiving a yellow card, which was so suspicious to say, how can he? I mean, that's the kind of officiating we are experiencing of late. Why am I saying that? I'm sure you'd say share the same sentiments. You saw Kaizer Chiefs being disallowed to get a clear penalty that was there. Now, I'm questioning now the officiating officials to say, please, much as the league is going to halt now for now, go and rectify whatever mistakes that is taking place there, because really it's costing some of the teams that are working so hard to can receive results, and they are denied the same way. I mean, they are denied by the very same officiating that is not up par. Now, looking at Kaizer Chiefs, Lindy, I want to say something about the players. They can play so well, they can do, but something is amiss in their minds. Really, they are not that strong to can, be those characters to say, this is the team that we are playing. It looks like someone who's got a ball, who's not in the chance to can give, to can pass the ball to other player to score. They all want to say, I'm the one Shabalala who did 1, 2, 3. I'm the one set who scored them. So that's the thing that we did. Fix your mindset. That's all that I'm asking. Thank you.
Yes, but Mthabo.
Lindy, mina ngizothanda nje ukuthi abo referee, please, siyabacela ukuthi babe fair. I mean, umkwena uthole red card angamelanga athole red card kule game esiwelele. Again, usil lo mfana lo uSolomon uwiswa eboxini. Akanikeza ipenalty. Sikora igoli leli la ka Silva balrula ukuthi is an offside, whereas it's not an offside. So siyacela referee aku PSL, please up your game. Thank you.
While I was watching this game, the Mamelodi Sundowns Siwelele one, I think Ronald Williams must pull up his socks because of the game Siwelele a free goal. So in that instance, you are a goalkeeper, you see every view inside the pitch, clear the ball away so the team can regroup, because Mamelodi Sundowns were in need of a win, just a simple win, even if they can win by goal in the top of the league, because they've got a better goal difference compared to Orlando Pirates. But a part of as Matume has just mentioned, this is not the Mamelodi Sundowns we used to fear. This is not the Mamelodi Sundowns which we know that they start the ball at the back, the ball goes in departments, back, middle, up front, where the likes of Shalule, I don't know where he is. He used to fire those balls in the back of the net. But it's not happening. But the only positive that they can take in this game is that those draws that are getting away from home will be vital going to the end of the season. But so far, so good. Itlhaolo Losema must pull up his socks because of Liana is just drawn against this former team struggling, Chippa United goalless. So they need to turn those draws into wins. It's not nice because of, I did to do some comparisons of majority of coaches that are skating on thin ice. It's also on the list. Makesi coach Don Maduka as well. It's also on the list. Steve Parker as well. Stellenbosch are not doing well. It's also on the list. So those coaches, even my coaches are questionable because of too many throws and not scoring goals. So far, disappointing.
All right, let's move elsewhere now. Vusmuzi Mncube scored the only goal as Sekhukhune finished the year third on the Betway Premiership standings. 1-0 is how it ended for Coach Eric Tinkler's side against Makesi FC. And it's very difficult to come here and walk away with a win, Vuyo. Laisi
Lindy, izinto zihambe kahle kwisikhukhune. Isikhukhune I think they don't have enough cream.
But we need.
No, but we need.
Yes.
But we need, it's fine. Yes, but now Lama wins by 6, it's fine. I'm talking about the Sekukune that started the league before.
Yes. Okay.
Right now, they don't have the cream. I'm happy for them. That's fine. I'm happy. So that Bazo, Timabebuya, January, Babuya Futi. Let's hope again they will continue with the same performance because of he break, he affects all the teams of as a good Premiership. But then, for me, I'm still saying they don't have enough depth. Okay, they can have the likes of Abu my former player, Cardoso at the back. But they need to beef up, you know what I mean, in order for them to compete in the top 8 coming next year. Thank you.
Greetings to you as Leeds. Let me first start by congratulating Pirates, our rivals, for winning the Carling Black Label Cup. I believe it's because of what Mbogazi said about playing the whole 200 minutes before they win, but they must win. So congratulations to them. Sekukune started the season very well, but I believe Angeke they are only I think 2 points away from us. I believe as Kaizer Chiefs. Actually it's a point. So I believe we can start scoring those goals. I'm not sure if they have a strikers coach or what, but I think that guy needs to up his socks, or else we must fire him and get another one, because every player in Kaizer Chiefs, they can't score, whether it's Shabalala, the midfielders, defenders. I even saw another goal where he tried to score, but it ended up being a throw in. How can you miss like that? So I believe Kaizer Chiefs need to fix their scoring, and then I believe we can at least compete with the league as well. I believe it's just 4 points away from being number 1. So if we can score those goals, at least we can defend well. I believe we can win this game.
All right, we are going to go for a quick ad break. When we return, we still continue with our conversation of the Betway Premiership as we conclude the 2025 calendar year. A reminder that the big one, the one we've all been waiting for, the AFCON 2025 kicks off on the 21st of December.